rubbing. We're rubbing. We got some rubbage. What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here, and in this video we're going to be going over a Viper cut. We just put some 285/70 tires on here, and now we're running into some clearance issues with the front bumper, so we are going to trim this back so that we have some room. So when it comes to doing a Viper cut, there is many ways of doing it, but the two most popular ones are along this body line here or along the body line here right below your fog light. So we're going to be going with this. We have a nice curve down here, and then going back to the end of the front bumper. You can use either a Dremel, a cutoff wheel. We're going to be using a air saw. That should be pretty easy. So once you have everything laid out, ready to cut. So let's get to it. All right, so we got both sides of the front bumper cut. Now I need to go ahead and cut the fender liner in a way that it's not going to be flapping in the wind and looks good. So on this side, I think I'm going to go from this vent hole, cut down on an angle to meet where I cut on the bumper, and then just go straight across. Just watch you don't cut your windshield washer reservoir. So I got this fender liner cut. I kept this clip right here to hold this part on, and then straight across like I said, and then back on an angle here to meet the cut on the bumper. The driver's side might be a bit more difficult because the only mounting bracket that you have for the fender liner in this section is on the front where this bracket is, which should probably get removed or cut off. So I'm gonna try to make a little bracket up here and put a hole in the fender liner to hold it tight.
It looks like you drew that line in freaking God.
Wow. All right, so it's actually been a few days since we finished up doing the Viper cut, and since then we did some wheeling and we had zero rubbing issues in the front. So this definitely helped us with some tire clearance. Now, you can go ahead and leave it cut like this, or you can put some trim molding on this just to clean up the edge, but we're just going to leave it like this. In the near future, we're going to be cutting this again to fit the C4 front bumper. Hopefully this video helps you if you're looking to do a Viper cut on your 4Runner. If you have any questions on the process of what we did or what I cut, let me know down in the comments and I'd be happy to help. If you guys need anything for your 4Runner, make sure to check us out at yodaexpedition.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.